One of the reasons I hear most that people don't go on trips as often as they would like is it's too much effort to get ready. So if you plan it out a little bit, have your stuff organized, it actually helps a lot. Thank you, dog. She's smelling the blood on my arrows. What was I saying? I'm gonna come home and see how long it takes me to get ready and then share some of that learnings to you guys to help organize your stuff, to help plan the trip. Now, admittedly, every trip that I go on is different. So it requires different things and different method of packing. I'm done. Sorry about the backlight. I'm trying to hurry here because I actually don't have a lot of time. So that took me 20 minutes to get ready. Get all that stuff in the truck. Granted, this is just an overnighter. What are some of the lessons learned? And that is this. One, make a list. Making a list beforehand or do a little bit of planning beforehand will help guide that process and keep you on track. Two, organize your gear. Don't have your gear strewn out in all over the place. And to that point, really what it is on this trip when I get home, I've built a habit that anytime I get home, the first thing I do is put all my gear away. That way it stays organized, because that's the key, right? You can get it organized, but it's getting it to stay organized. Another trick that I do to get out that quick is my backpack is already packed with most of the essentials. Every trip will be a little bit different, so I can't pack everything. For example, fire starting stuff, cordage, compass, those type of things I've already got packed in my bag. And then lastly, as you're doing this, it will encourage you to get out a little bit more because the prep time isn't as long. But every time you come out, you forget something. So it's an opportunity to learn and tweak your system a little bit. That's how business runs, right? We plan, we execute. During the execution, you find out, oh, that didn't work as well as we thought it was going to, but that's a lesson learned for next time, so we can avoid that. We can avoid that problem the next time. I'm also looking for good rabbit hunting areas right now. Anyway, so there's hopefully some quick ideas to help get over that prep time that I think a lot of people go through that prevents them from getting out as much as they like. Thanks for watching. We'll see you.